Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to use Canva website template inside the Blogger. Now step 1 is just go to the Canva and search your website template, whatever you like the most. So let me just search website template and it will show me some of the website templates. So let's say I like this one. These are basically 8 pages, so just click on customize, or you can choose any other template that you like the most. That is your choice. Like add the content, all the details inside the all the pages. It is still loading. So once it is loaded, so make sure to add all those details. As you can see, change the information that you want to change, keep it same if you want to. And once everything is done, just click on this share button from the right side, and from this option just click on the option called see all, and you will see this option called embed. So just copy the embed, click on embed, and once you click on embed, just click on embed again, and just copy this HTML embed code. As you can see, HTML embed code, just copy the code, and once copied, just go to the Blogger, and inside the Blogger, so you will see the blog option. So just click on new post, and once you click on new post, so it will take you to this page. So from this option, what you can do is on the left side, you will see either this option like HTML view or compose view, like this one. So just change it to HTML view, and just inside this section, select it, paste the code, and just click on preview or publish. So once you click here, after that you will be able to preview or publish your Canva template inside the Blogger. As you can see, like it has been added. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.